Hi everyone and welcome to another exciting React tutorial. In this video we're going to build a BMI calculator using React and TypeScript. This is a great project for learning how to work with forms, state management and TypeScript in a React app. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's set up a new React app with TypeScript. If you haven't installed Create React App with TypeScript, just run this command in your terminal. Once the setup is done, navigate into the project directory. Before we get started, let's clean up this React project a bit. First, I'll remove the report web vitals section from the index.tsx file. And after that, I'll convert the app function into a React component in the app.tsx file. Let's start by creating our BMI calculator component. Inside the source folder, create a new folder called components and then a file name bmicalculator.tsx. Now let's build the basic form for the BMI calculator. The form will take in two inputs, weight and height, and will calculate the BMI based on those values. First, let's import React and TypeScript from React library. And then, let's create the BMI calculator React component. Now, let's create three state variables: weight, height and BMI. We use the useState to handle the form inputs for weight and height as well as the calculated BMI. Next we'll create the handleSubmit function. The handleSubmit function calculates the BMI based on the formula. If the BMI is calculated, we display the result along with the message indicating the weight category. Before we start to create the form, let's add a prevent default function into the handleSubmit function. Next, I create a form that takes two inputs from the user, weight and height. Then I create a button that calls the handleSubmit function. Next we add the result of the BMI calculation under the form. Next, let's use the BMI calculator component in our app.tsx file. Open the app.tsx file and import the BMI calculator. We have imported the BMI calculator and placed it inside our app's main component. Now we should see the form when we run the app. Let's run the app using command npm start. Once the app is running, open your browser to localhost 3000. You should see the BMI calculator form ready for input. Let's try it out. I'll enter 70 kilograms for the weight and 175 centimeters for the height. When I click calculate BMI, we get result. Your BMI is 22.86, which is in the normal weight range. Let's add some basic styling to make the calculator look better. Open the app CSS file and add the styling. Now the BMI calculator looks much cleaner with padding, input fields and styled button. And that's it. We successfully built a simple BMI calculator using React and TypeScript. This project covered key React concepts like state management, form handling and TypeScript type safety. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more web development tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.